What's up, y'all? Welcome to Dee LaVigne. Today I have a double unboxing for you guys. I bought a new handbag from Chanel. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. And I'm also super excited for this new ring that I also got in the mail. Both of these items I have been wanting, and I'm just so excited to share them with you guys. This is also gonna be a true unboxing. I haven't seen it since the store and I haven't opened this up yet. So let's get started. First, we're gonna start off with this Chanel bag. Y'all, I was recently in Beverly Hills and I stopped by the Chanel store. I actually stopped by a couple of them. This was the one in the Neiman Marcus. Y'all, I am just so excited about this purchase, and I'll tell you guys why once I open it up for you guys. Oh my goodness. Super cute. So, here it is. As you can see, it's a smaller size bag. And, oh, all this wrapping paper. 1 second. Well, let me show you guys. So, it's neatly wrapped. Okay. So pretty. Okay, you guys, so this is, oh, let me just take this off too. All right, you guys, this is my new Chanel. It is their wallet on chain, but not the classic. So as you can see, the CCs are bigger. I do have another Chanel wallet on chain, but it is the like classic version where the CCs are like super small. I have it in the beige. Love that bag as well. However, I've really been looking for a walk, but with silver hardware. And when I tell you guys, for whatever reason, it has been really hard to find one. And so yeah, I came across this one and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. I have to. And actually it was so cool because they had finally the Chanel with the silver hardware, the classic one with the smaller CCs, but since I already have the beige one, I figured why not do something slightly different. But yeah, every time I would go in the Chanel store or a Chanel store in general, like the last several months, they've always had walks in, but it wouldn't be in black. And if it was in black, it was in gold hardware or it was with the lambskin leather. So that was another thing. I wanted silver hardware, not the champagne gold. I have too many Chanel bags with champagne gold already. I wanted silver hardware, so I was very specific on that. And I also definitely wanted caviar leather because this is definitely gonna be a grab and go, pretty much almost every single day, everyday type bag wear. So I didn't want it in lambskin. I have both lambskin bags as well in Chanel, so I do love their lambskin leather, but not when I know I'm gonna wear the bag every single day or like a lot. I just find that the caviar leather for me is a lot more durable. So yeah, look at her. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I have been wanting this bag for a long time and I'm just so glad I found the right perfect one. So if you don't know the walk, it has the slots on the inside, it has this pocket right here, and it also has a zipper pocket as well that I'll show you guys, and then this front pocket. So I love the compartments that the wallet on chain for Chanel has. I feel like it's very well thought out. And honestly, their walks actually fit a whole lot. Like, you guys would be surprised if you didn't know. If you want to see what's in my bag, let me know. Comment below and I can do that for you guys. But yeah, this is my new little baby and I love her. Yeah, this is gonna get a lot of wear. Literally gonna start wearing her tomorrow. So let me know what you guys think. Did I do good with getting like the slightly bigger CCs, or do you feel like I should have went more classic? I don't know. It was a hard decision for sure, but I figured since I had the beige one already in the classic, why not get this one with the CCs? Oh, I did want to mention, I actually When I did go into Chanel, there was a couple black with silver hardware, but the CCs were all like rhinestoned out. And I just felt like it was it made it look a little too dressy for me when I knew I wanted this bag specifically for everyday wear and like grab and go. I didn't want to worry about like the crystals popping out or whatever. But yeah, I just felt like this was more casual. I could wear it even going out as well, just because of like the CC texture. It could also pass as like a little going out bag too. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. I'm so excited. Oh, it's been a long time coming. I've been looking for this. Also, you can adjust the strap. You could wrap it on the inside. You could wear it as a shoulder bag, a crossbody bag. You could wear it as a clutch even. Like, I just love it. You could put it in a bigger bag if you want to use it as like a wallet. So yeah, I just love their wallet on chain. Next up is the Ultrahuman Ring Air. Let's unbox this. Ooh, live unboxing. Haven't seen this yet. Ah! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what it looks like, you guys. Wow, seeing this for the first time in person, because like I said, I've done so much research on this ring and also comparing it to the Aura ring because I wanted to see which one was like the better fit for me, and by far I feel like it was this one. Gives you data and tracks your sleep, HRV, your movement, and temperature tracking. Like, it's also more fitness savvy as well, like from what I have researched from my ladies that watch. It also tracks your cycle, so if you're trying to get pregnant or not trying to get pregnant, or if you just like to know what phase you are in your cycle, it also tracks that really well. Oh my gosh, so here it is. It comes in several different colors that you can choose from, and I chose the Bionic Gold. Wow. Okay, it is so light, which I did like read up on, and it's so true. This ring is so light. Wow, it's so beautiful. So on the inside, there's like a little lump. That's where you're supposed to make sure that that part is facing the palm. I'm gonna slide it on. It is like the most perfect fit, you guys. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So this is what it looks like on. I'm obsessed. What else? So, oh, you've got your hands on more than just a ring, a personal compass in your health journey. The Ring Air combines the best of form and functionality to decode the science behind your sleep and recovery. And so it comes with more Hello Cyborg to place. Okay, so it's like just directions, comes with a user manual, which I will read through, although from the reviews that I watched, it's really, really simple. This is the charging dock, super cute. Comes with, oh, cool, stickers. I love the packaging, wow, like the packaging is really nice. Get wired. I did see they also have like a wireless one if you want a wireless version, but I know that these cords, yeah, it looks long. It looks pretty long, which is awesome. I love that. Okay, you guys, I've been so excited to unbox this. Okay, so here's the cords, if you guys are wondering. So let's see, so it goes like this. Okay, and then you plug this in. Oop. Okay, and then you just plug this in, and then you place the ring. Oh. Then you place the ring just like that to charge. Very simple. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Wow, beautiful. So I wanted to share also this. This was also, I already opened this because they do send you a ring sizing kit to try on, which I love because you want to, you don't want to go through all this and order it and then realize that the ring doesn't even fit. So I love how thorough they are with that. But the ring sizing kit I wanted to show you guys. So it looks like this. They give you like the sizing kit. They show you a sample of all the different colors that you can choose from, which again, I chose the Bionic Gold. And if I really like get to liking it, again, I'm gonna do like an in-depth review for you guys after I wear it for a little bit. I want to actually give my own review, even though I've watched a bunch of different reviews. I want to just share my own personal experience with you guys. If I end up liking it, I'll probably get this space silver next. Like, look, the colors are so pretty and beautiful. So after that, then it comes, you see this right here. It's the Air Ring Sizing Kit. Such, again, so beautifully packaged and well thought out. So this is what the sizing kit looks like, and it has sizes 5 to 14 in them. So basically, before you get the ring, you just try on the ring, and you're supposed to, you know, sleep with it, do everything with it, wear it nonstop for about 3 days, because, you know, your fingers tend to swell, they tend to, like, if it's too cold, they're not as swollen. So you want to make sure that it fits comfortable in all environments, like when you're sleeping, when you wake up, when you travel, things like that. So I wore it for 3 days straight. I think I did it for like 4 days just to make sure. And the size 5 fit me perfectly. They do recommend that this is worn on the index finger, so that's what I chose. I have seen people wear it though on like the middle finger as well, but I personally like the pointer, the index finger. So yeah, I love that. But ultimately, you guys, I have been wearing this Garmin watch for a long time, like nonstop for probably almost like 2 years now, maybe even longer. And honestly, I love it. However, I really wanted something that I could keep on like nonstop that wouldn't really affect like my outfits, like from a styling standpoint. And I just feel like after doing a lot of research, your finger readings actually are more accurate than on the wrist. But honestly, the main reason was for like styling purposes. I travel a lot, I'm out and about a lot. I'm not always in workout clothes where I like to like dress up from time to time. And in those moments, I still want to be able to track my like movement. I want to track my heart rate, things like that. And I find myself taking this off a lot, because it is a very casual watch. It's very sporty. So the only time that it really goes is usually, you know, obviously with like workout outfits. Everything else, it kind of dresses down my look. So I have really been wanting to try out a ring for a very long time, and I finally, like, I did my research. It was very thorough, and I just felt like the Ultrahuman Ring Air was the best fit for me. So yeah, I'm excited to see how this goes. I'm gonna wear this nonstop for a while before I make my review on this. I'll do a dedicated review for you guys. And yeah, they also gave me a discount code, which I'm so excited to share with you guys. It is UHDEE10. So I'll put that on the screen as well. And in the description box right below, it's UHDEE10 for 10% off, which is awesome. And another thing also, you guys, is I love that you don't have to pay a monthly subscription fee to use their app. Like, I don't like people taking money from my account every month. Like, we have enough of that, right? Like, I just like wham bam done. And so that was another reason why I chose the Ultrahuman Air Ring. I am just so excited, over the moon with these two purchases, because these are two things that I have really been on the hunt and looking for the right item for me. And I got my bag that I know I'm gonna get so much wear out of. And this ring, I'm just so happy. It's just time. It's time to let this go. Again, I don't have anything really bad to say about this. It really served its purpose, but I do want something that I feel like is more understated and something that doesn't like bring down any looks that I wear. Anyways, you guys, what do you guys think? Do you guys have a smart ring already? Let me know down below if you're interested in one. I highly recommend check out the Ultrahuman Ring Air. I will be back to give you an in-depth review. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!